Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word document in 2026. So, of course, in order to convert your PDF into a Word document, there are many tools or many ways to do so, or many methods. So, an example, you can use even Microsoft Word to do so. So, you can just go and open your Microsoft Word application on your PC. And of course, modern like versions of Word include the built-in PDF converter. So if as an example, I go here and click on open, I'm just going to click on browse. I do have here, as you can see, a PDF. So it's .pdf, and I'm just going to double click on it. So they'll tell me that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while, so the resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained a lot of graphics. So as you can see, you'll have to keep that in mind. You have a lot of graphics, a lot of tables, a lot of annoying stuff that can be hard to be converted into Word. They may not show correctly as they are in a PDF here in Word. So I can go and click on OK, and as you can see, they will tell me it will take a while. This file specifically will not take a while because of a small thing, because it only has, as you can see, text. So I'm just going to click on OK. As you can see, because it's just simple text. So if you have things more than text, if you have images, if you have, I don't know, designs, graphics, it will take you a while, but it cannot go more than 1 to 2 minutes. So you'll just have to wait and it will be converted. As you can see, I have my like Word document ready to use only using the Word application. So this is one of the methods that you can convert your PDF to a Word. So some of the other tools, if you don't have, as an example, Microsoft downloaded into your PC, you can try to use some online tool. There are a lot of online tools that are available in the browser, like small PDF. So you can go and type, as example, small PDF in any browser, click on that, and even you can just type PDF to Word. So they'll take you exactly to this right place to just upload your PDF, and it will give you as like a Word. So I'm going here, I'm going to browse to the PDF file. It's uploading and everything. So you can convert it to basic, so which will make selectable text in your PDF editable. If you want advanced with OCR, which will make all text, including text and images or scans, editable. Basically, it will include OCR. You'll need to pay for a plan, or you can get the free trial if you want to. But for me, I want just the basic. So if you want something that has, again, graphics, more visuals and stuff like that, the OCR will be needed for sure. So for me, I'm just going to click here and download, and I should get like same results as I get from Word. But as you can see, it's not the same results. It's just taking pictures of my text and basically placing it here. So this is not actually very good, but this is what you get from online tools. Normally, there are a lot of other better tools than small PDF. I guess there's the I love PDF one. So this one is pretty cool as well. So PDF to Word, they have it. You can just go and select your OCR file, click on convert to Word. You can apply OCR or continue without OCR. For me, I'm just going to click on apply OCR. And if I click on apply OCR, it didn't tell me to pay anything. So I can just go and click on download Word, like here, click on save, and it's applied OCR and it did a great job. As you can see, it did even a better job than Word itself. So I love PDF is much, much better than a lot of online tools. I use this all the time in different areas. So other than that, I guess like that's it for these two methods. Of course, there are other methods that you can use, but I guess those two methods are enough. So if you have a Word, you can use that. And if you don't have Microsoft Word, you can just use it. I love PDF, small PDF, a lot of other online tools. Make sure they're just legit so you don't get scammed if you didn't use the small or I love PDF. And of course, as I said, make sure to use OCR if you have complex PDF always. If you have only simple like text based PDF that you want to convert to Word, you can just go even to the PDF itself and copy the PDF as it is. So as an example, let me just go and open that PDF. So where is this? I do have it in the other screen. So for me, I'm just going to click an example and open it. So if you do have that PDF, it has only text. You can just go and start a blank document and try to copy the whole text and paste this right here. You have it just text. If you have image, you'll need to go and do the OCR thingy. Of course, normally Microsoft Word has OCR, but as I said, I love PDF does a better job. And if you don't have Microsoft Word, you can use these other tools as well, like these online tools. So yeah, that should be it about it, or that should be about this video. If you have any questions, example, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. That was me on how to convert a PDF to Word document in 2026, whether you're using Microsoft Word or any online converter. So if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.